I'm Stephanie, certified speech language pathologist, and I'm here to help you feel confident in supporting your little through their speech and language journey. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Let's talk about direct statements. What are they? How do we use them? So direct statements are typically short, to the point sentences that put thoughts out to the world. You are just putting these thoughts that you have out to the world. Why would we use these? These are great models for our little. They show our littles that you can say whatever is on your mind. You just put it out there. Doesn't matter if it's complicated or about what. If you think it, you can say it. Another thing that this does is it really takes away from talk pressure. Talk pressure is when our littles feel forced to perform. It is a big inhibitance when it comes to getting our littles to start babbling and start saying more complete sentences. They don't like to feel like they have to perform. This is new for them. New can be scary, intimidating. They know that they are surrounded by people who talk very well compared to them, and they are brand new. So imagine you're trying to speak German that you took 2 semesters in high school of in the middle of Germany. That's our littles. So talk pressure can really get in the way of our littles being the big risk takers that they're meant to be. So using direct statements helps relieve that pressure. We are not asking them things and expecting a response. We are using just direct statements. We're just putting thoughts out there. They can respond if they want to, or they could not. They could just listen. And those are all good options. So this is why we would use direct statements. What are some examples of them? Let's say we go for a walk. I like to call them talk walks. And you just make some direct statements about what's going on. Those trees are getting so big. It sure is cold outside. So they're very short, to the point thoughts that you have while you're out and about. And what you'll notice if you're doing that on a walk, your little will start picking that up, and you'll see your little will start kind of babbling and talking about what they see too. So you might walk by a car and your little says, "Car?" They're seeing. That's their direct statement. And so they're mimicking you. You're providing that beautiful model for them. You can do this all day long, naturally throughout your routine. And when you embed these strategies in your routine, that's when you start getting the most success. So when you're getting dressed in the morning, we need socks. Let's find some socks. See how I'm not asking any questions? I'm just saying it. We need socks. Changing diapers. This diaper's dirty. Oh, that stinky poo. Direct statements. They're just out there. We're just putting it there. Our little does not feel pressure to respond. There's no need to respond. It's out there. They can do with it as they please. Using these direct statements, you'll want to be kind of cautious about how much you're using it. You don't want to inundate your little with these thoughts, because if you are filling all that space with your voice, then your little doesn't have the opportunity to fill that space with theirs. So the best way to approach it is to put a few thoughts out there. Put a thought out there, walk a little bit, put another thought out there, walk a little bit. Same with when you're getting dressed, when you're changing their clothes, when it's bath time, when you're playing, when you're eating. Take a bite. This looks good. These green beans look really fresh. Wait a few bites. Provide that beautiful silence that your little can fill. So that's a great way to use those direct statements, but not ruin the opportunity for your little. So now we're combining a few different strategies, right? We have our direct statements, we have providing silence, opening up communication opportunities. These are all ways you can do that. And like I said, try to do it throughout your routine, because when you embed it in your day, you will have the best success. I hope that makes sense. I can't wait to hear you all trying these things. Don't forget to hit subscribe so that you don't miss anything. I'll talk to you later.